In this video, I'm going to teach you how to buy planes in Extreme Landing. So in order to buy planes, what you can do is you first need to head over and then choose in here the actual plane that you wish to use. We have in here Airbus A340, we have BAC, Antonov, Learjet, as well as other options for Airbus, Lockheed, and Boeing, and the likes. You can see in here their aircraft information by finding them onto the actual Extreme Landings fandom. So just choose in here first which plane you want to buy. And in order to buy them, according to this search, you can just get in here the free version of the Extreme Landings. And this free version only has one planes. If you want access to more aircraft, you must either purchase the pro version of the game or download the already purchased pro version from the App Store. Now, from in there on the games menu, select a flight and you will list a list of aircraft available. Tap on the plane that is currently locked and you should be able to find the option to unlock that and you should be able to buy it yourself. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.